Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you unique style rich gourd peel chutney. For making this recipe I have taken half kg rich gourd. Firstly wash the rich gourd and then peel off the skin. For tempering I have taken cashew nut, curry leaves, green chili and a small piece of ginger. Roughly chop all the ingredients. I have taken also quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon black mustard seed. Next, turn on the heat, put a pan, add appropriate amount of oil. After oil is hot, add all the tempering ingredient together: cashew nut, curry leaves, green chili, black mustard seed. Add all the ingredients, saute for few seconds until it fragrant, then add turmeric powder. Reduce the heat and stir continuously for a minute. Next, add the peeled of rich gourd. I have peeled the rich gourd skin with peeler. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until the rich gourd peel is crisp and well cooked. Rich gourd peel is rich with dietary fiber and it goes well with roti, chapati or even steamed rice. See, our rich gourd peel is well cooked and crisp. At last, add half a teaspoon salt. Add salt according to your taste. Next, switch off the flame and cover. Allow it to cool. Next, in a grinder jar, add some coconut pieces and green chili and blend it like this coarsely. I have blended coconut with green chili. Add our cooked rich gourd peel in this grinder jar and grind it. Firstly, dry grind without mixing any water and then gradually pour little water and blend it like this. See, our yummy delicious rich gourd peel chutney is done. Serve it with chapati, roti. Thanks for watching.